Hello, sir.
Hi sir,
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. And what about you?
I am perfectly fine. So, what is your name?
My name is Parvez.
Where are you from?
I am from Asapur Karkadi.
What have you passed?
I have passed 12.
And nowadays,
Nowadays, I am learning spoken English.
what is your hobbies?
My hobby is playing and study.
What is your goal?
My goal is mechanical engineer.
How many members in your family?
The family members are 6 members in my family.
Have you taken breakfast?
Yes, I have taken breakfast.
With whom have you taken your breakfast?
I have taken breakfast with my mother.
Can you come daily?
Yes, I can come daily.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will. No, I will not come tomorrow
Why will you not come tomorrow?
because tomorrow is holiday.
Would you like to? Do you want to go to Delhi?
No, I do not. No, I want. No, I do not want to go to Delhi
Why do you not want to go to Delhi?
because I do not need to go to Delhi.
Do you need to learn spoken English?
Yes, I need to learn spoken English.
Do you need to come here daily?
Yes, I need to come here daily.
Do you like to come here daily?
Yes, I like to come here daily.
With whom do you like to come here daily?
I like to come here daily alone.
And at what time do you come here?
I am come here at 9 o'clock.
And at what time do you go there?
I go there home at 10 o'clock.
Do you love your mom?
Yes, I love my mom.
Do you hate your neighbor?
Yes, no, I hate. No, I hate.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.